Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu appears on the screen, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Now scroll through this menu, find the icon called Do Not Disturb mode. Looks like this. And once you select it, you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode is off. And to enable the mode, make sure the icon is selected and then press the start button. And as you can see, it switched to Do Not Disturb mode on, and the icon changed the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And now we can press the back button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face, you will also see that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled because the icon will appear right here. Okay. And to disable the mode, you can open the controls menu again, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, of course, and then press the start button to disable it. And as you can see, it says off, and the icon changed the color. And if you go back to watch face, the icon will be gone. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through settings. So we can press and hold the home button or up button to open the menu. Then we can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Find the option called the system and select it, then press the start button to enter. Here, scroll down by pressing the down button, find the option called Do Not Disturb, select it and press the start button. And as you can see, we have the option called status. Make sure it's selected and press the start button to turn it to on or off. So if you turn it to on, it's gonna enable Do Not Disturb mode, and if you turn it to off, it's gonna disable Do Not Disturb mode. You can also turn on and off Do Not Disturb mode during sleep. So basically, if your watch is paired with a phone, you will be, during the pairing process, you will be setting up during sleep or bedtime, basically, feature or something like that. Basically, you will select the time on which you, or set the time on which you're going to bed and set the time on which you wake up. And this allows you to use the Do Not Disturb mode during sleep, and you can enable it or disable it right here. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.